I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like and subscribe. So here is simple tutorial how you can create a shortcut in macOS to split PDF into pages. Like for example, I have this PDF with multiple pages. As you can see, there are 22 pages. This is just random PDF that I downloaded from the internet. 22 pages, and you want to split this PDF into like pages, like one page per PDF. So this is tutorial how you gonna do it. So open your shortcut, press this plus icon to create new shortcut. Okay, let's name it split PDF V1. Now what you need to do is press this shortcut details icon and use this. Use as quick action. Also check this as well. From here, uncheck everything and select this. Okay. And in here, okay, do not change anything in here. So first step will be to split PDF. There is a built-in action. This one, split PDF into pages. Now it will get the PDF and split into pages. After this action, we will have all the pages uh, separately. So what we need to do is basically get folder from where PDF is coming from. So in here, clear this and uh, double click and select this shortcut input. Okay. Now after this, we want to save these pages as a single file. So use this save. In here, what you can do is basically ask where to save. Like every time you run this shortcut, it will ask where you want to save. And in here, select save PDF pages. You can uncheck this and use this and select this. Okay, what this does is basically whenever you run this shortcut, it will split the PDF into pages, then get the directory, like get the folder where this file is coming from, and save these pages into that file. Okay, so let's run it. This is the file. If I right click it, and from here, as you can see here, I have split PDF v1, and if I click this, it will start running, and after some time you will see all the new PDF get created for all 22 pages. At first it take time and also asks for permission. Allow it, and as you can see it start creating those PDF files starting from 0 to 21. Each PDF will have single uh, folder, single page. So this is how you can create your own shortcut to split multi-page PDF into single pages. Kindly do let me know in case you have any question or you don't understand any part. I will share this uh, shortcut link in the description as well. So if you don't want to create it yourself, just click the link and add to shortcut, and it will get added to your shortcut. But you still might still need to check these two options as well. Thank you.